class at IIT Mathematics. Today we will discuss about comparing quantities using proportion and direct and inverse proportions. So already in the previous class we have discussed about comparing quantities using proportion. Let's once review about that. Percentages and all. Percentage in the sense how to convert percentages as fraction and fraction to percentage and ratio to percentage. These three concepts we have discussed. Okay, let's see once again. So comparing quantities using proportion. So percentage to fraction. Suppose I'm giving you convert 30% as fraction. You will write 30 by 100 and do the cancellation. 3 by 10 is a fraction. Now fraction to percentage. Fraction to percentage in the sense if I give you 1 by 2. So percentage you will get 1 by 2 into 100 is equal to 50%. Okay. So once these two sums you do not know, 55% into fraction and 1 by 7 into percentage. Please do it, Nano. Avinash.
Yes.
Avinash, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
55% to fraction. What you will do?
55 by 100.
55 by 100. Do the cancellation 11 by 20. And 1 by 7 to percentage. What you will do? 1 by 7 into 100. 100 by 7. Just take the division. 14.2 percentage. Okay, no?
Okay.
Next, ratio to percentage means what? Let us see. Percentage to ratio. So I'm giving you the ratio as 9:25. So first I will write like fraction, then I will multiply into 100. Then how much I will get here? 9 4s are 36, 36%. 1:2. You write 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 100. With cancellation, you will get 50%. Okay, now it's so simple. Now you please tell me this answer. 3:5. Please tell me this answer.
20%.
Okay. Next, 3:8. 3:8. 3:8.
12.5%.
12.5.
5.
I will check. 3 by 8 into 100. Here 8 table 4 2s and 50 times and 2 2s 25 times. 3 25s are 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 2, how much, Nana? That is a 6, 7, 37.5. I'm getting. Where did it wrong?
Yes.
I'm not sure. This one you do. 2:7. 2:7. Two by 7 into 100. 200 you should divide with 7. 200 divided by 7 is the answer. And then next, Navinash. Next,
Yes.
you have profit, loss, percentage of profit, percentage of loss. When do we get profit? When do we get profit? Selling price is bigger than cost price.
Cost price.
Loss, cost price is bigger than selling price. Means if I purchased an article for 100 rupees, that is CP, I sold it for 110 rupees. Now I will get profit. If I purchased an article for 100 rupees, I sold it for 90 rupees. I got loss. Means selling price is big. Means giving, you are giving to somebody, that is big profit. And cost price is big. Selling price is less, will get loss. And percentage of profit. Percentage of profit is equal to profit by cost price into 100. The same case, percentage how I will do. Profit here 10 rupees, no, first case 10 rupees only, no, here. Okay. So profit by means 10 rupees by CP 100 into 100. 100 cancel, 10% profit I got. Percentage of loss. Percentage of loss. Loss by CP into 100. Loss again here 10 rupees. CP is 10. CP is 100. 10% loss. This is one more concept what we learn in this chapter. Okay, no? Next, shall move. Shall see the proportions, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Please open chapter page number 211. No? Page 211.
Open.
Direct and inverse. What is this direct proportion? What is this inverse proportion? Let us see. First of all, what is the proportion? What is meant by proportion? If two ratios are equal, I'm writing two ratios here. 2:3, 4:6. No. These ratios are equal because 2:3 I will write 2/3 is 4/6. If I cancel, what I will get here? 2/3 only, no? Okay. If two ratios are equal, then they are in proportion. Then what? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. This is the concept we'll see in this chapter. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. What is this means and extremes? Means are nothing but middle terms. I will write A, B, C, D. You will understand. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Here B and C are said to be means, middle terms. A and D are said to be extremes. Extremes. So that is equal. That means B into C is equal to A into D. Let us take this example only. 2:3. 2:3 is equal to 4:6. Multiply the middle two. 3 into 4. Multiply the last two. First and last. 2 into 6. 3 2s are 12. 2 6 are 12. We got same, no? So this is called proportion. Okay. Here third proportion, fourth proportion. Those are important. What is third proportion? What is fourth proportion? I will tell you now. So I'll erase this. Simple concept only. This is also. The first term A and the fourth term is called extremes. And second term means and extremes I said. The second term B and third term C are called mean terms. And B is called second term and C is called third term. So for product of means is the product of extremes, then the terms are set up in proportion. A is to B is equal to C is to D. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Then D is called fourth proportion. C is called third one. D is called fourth one. Sometimes middle terms are equal. Middle terms are equal. I'll write like this. A is to B is equal to B is to C. Avinash. Okay, now listening. Avinash. Avinash, once unmute now. Okay, fine. Here, middle two terms are equal. Okay, now so that here we get the answer for B because B into B is equal to B square is equal to AC. B is equal to AC. B is said to be mean proportion. B is called mean proportion. Okay. So you are given question like this. 2:3 is equal to 4:x. Ask to find the value of x. Then what you will do? Same formula. Multiply the middle two terms. 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into x. X is equal to 3 into 4 by 2. You will get 6. Okay. Okay, now. Avinash, please respond now.
Yes, sir.
You can see page 212, third proportion, continued proportion that all will see. A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. A is to B is equal to B is to C. C is called third proportion. D is called fourth proportion. C is called third proportion. Continued proportion of four numbers. A, B, C, D. Then A is to B is equal to B is to C is equal to C is to D. A is to B is equal to B is to C is equal to C is to D. You have to observe one point here. Continued, here B repeated, here C repeated. Okay, this is called continued proportion. Third proportion, continued proportion. These are our new words which will not see in regular mathematics. Next, properties of proportion: invert tendo property, alter tendo property, component of property, dividend of property, convert tendo property. This only will learn like formulas. A is to B is equal to C is to D, and B is to A is equal to D is to C. Invert tendo, first one. A is to B is equal to B is to C, C is to D. Then B is to A is equal to D is to C. This is invert tendo. And second one, alter nendo. That is, A is to B is equal to C is to D. Then A is to C is equal to B is to D. Means BC places we changed. Okay. BC places we changed here. See what is changing here? Inverse. Here means places changed. Next, component. Component means we can add something. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Then A is to C. A plus B is to B is equal to C plus D is to D. Here B is added to first term and here D is added to first term. Are you following, Avinash? Avinash?
Yes.
Okay. First one is invert tendo, write the reverse ratio. Second one is alternando. Alternando in the sense B and C places you can change. Next, componendo. B added to the first term, D added to the first term here. And fourth one is dividendo. Dividendo means subtraction. A is to B is equal to C is to. This all will come in intermediate. A minus B is to B is equal to C minus D is to D. Subtraction. Subtract this one like this. Here addition, here subtraction. Here middle terms changed. Here totally reverse. Next one. Convertendo. Convertendo in the sense, second term will be changed. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Then A is to A minus B is equal to C is to C minus B. The second term is subtracted, C. Second term was changed. This is convertendo. Now the next one, componendo, dividendo. Componendo, dividendo together. Two rules in one rule, one formula. What is this componendo and dividendo? A is to B is equal to C is to D. Then A plus B is to A minus B is equal to C plus B is to C minus B. This is important. So A plus B and A minus B, one time addition, one time subtraction, one time addition and one time subtraction. This is called componendo, dividendo. The last one is equivalent ratio property. That is not considered, not required. Once again you check now. Invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, convertendo and componendo, dividendo. All the 6 rules there in page 212. Please check once. Avinash.
Okay, sir.
Please check the rules. Then we'll do some objective and we shall end up this. Okay, page 214 open now. Page 214. Avinash. Avinash.
Yes, sir.
214, first question, can you please read?
Yes, sir.
Read the first question. Reading.
Yes.
Are you reading the question? Read out to.
Yes, sir.
Page 214. Avinash, did you read the question?
Yes, I wrote.
No, read outside, Nana. Let me hear.
Okay, sir.
The second, third, and fourth terms. Second, third, and fourth terms tell me. A, B, C, D. Second term is what? 21,
21.
80, 120. What is missed? First one. Okay.
Yes.
Product of means is equal to product of extremes. So middle two terms you multiply. Last two terms you multiply. 21 into 80 is equal to A into 120. So A is equal to 21 into 80 by 120. Let's cancel this. 4 table 2 times. 4 table 3 times. Yes, 7. 7 twos are how much? 14 is the
14.
answer. Okay. Second question. Again A, B, C, D. You take proportionality. First, third, fourth. First term 15. B is missed. Third term 27. 63. You please tell me this answer, no? Same like this two you multiply and this two you multiply. Can you do?
Yes.
I got 35.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, next question is see. If the other two terms of continued proportion are 15 and 60, then the mean term is continued proportion means A is to B is equal to B is to C is equal to C is to D. So here what are given? Other two terms of continued proportion 15 and 60, the mean proportion middle is given. So let us take A is to B is equal to B is to C, and this one you missed, B is missed. 15 and 60 take as first and last. So take the square root of 15 and 60. 15 and 60 square root, how much will come? This is 3 5s and this is 12 5s. Okay. And 3 into 5, 12 I will write again, 3 into 4. And every term will get 2 times, you see, 3 square, 5 square, 4 is 2 square. Square root cancel, 3 into 5 into 2 is the answer. 10 3s are 30 is the answer. Because square root of the given number, that's all. Square root of the given numbers is the main proportion. Square root of 15 to 60, you can multiply also, no problem. Okay, no? Like that.
Yes.
Next. The next one. Seventh one, you see. 520x continued proportion. 520x continued proportion. Then what is the value of x? So you'll take it as A, B, C. Rule B is equal to B square is equal to AC or B is equal to root AC. Anything you can take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So B square in the sense 20 square is equal to 5 into X. 20 square is 400. 5 into X. X is equal to 400 over 5 is equal to 80. Okay, now? Now we have to do one question. I'll show you. Page 214, fifth sum, you see. Page 214, fifth sum.
214.
214, fifth sum.
Fifth.
Fifth.
Okay, sir.
Fourth proportion is asked. 2.1, 1.5, 6.3. D is missed. A, B, C, D. Rule product of means is equal to product of extremes.
So could I do on boards?
Middle 2 you multiply. Middle 2, 1.5 into 6.3 is equal to 2.1 into D. Means is equal to extremes. Okay. Middle 2 numbers and first and last. Then D is equal to 1.5 into 6.3 divided by 2.1. 2.1 here 3 times. 1.5 into 3. Answer is 4.5. Okay, now? Okay, Avinash. Avinash, are you there? No. Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
So,